Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to talk about this small port right here. It's a audio device and I'm going to talk about what is the real use of these. If you're new to our channel, welcome to Laashaktech. Here we unbox, review and talk about tech. And if you are not subscribed, click the subscribe button down below. Every video are uploaded on Sundays. Okay, alright, now let's get into the video of talking on this audio device right here. So it's a flashy small device. It's pretty small, nearly 1.5 inches, I guess. So it's an audio device where you can connect your aux cable, which I featured in my last video of unboxing this thing. So you can plug it in and connect. So it's basically like a headphone. So it can use for input or output as an audio device. So you can, for example, you can plug it into your piano and get audio output and play it on any other speaker, or your headphones for personalized practicing on your keyboard. And you can also plug it in your piano or any other audio device so that you can give voice in. For example, you can play any music or any other songs. So it's audio in and audio out. It's basically a 3.5 millimeter jack which can be inserted inside, and you can plug it in any other audio device. So it's just making the 3.5 millimeter jack compatible with the device, which it was not able to have the 3.5 millimeter jack getting in. So the video was short since this device didn't have many functions. So that's gotta be it for the video, and catch you in the next one. Just before leaving, I wanted to say that this product wasn't featured, so I wasn't sponsored. And yeah, that's gotta be it. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.